Hello, my name is Shakia. Welcome back to my channel if you are new here, and welcome back if you are a returning subscriber. In today's video, I will be talking about how to create affordable aftercare kits for your clients. I'm going to show you what I started out doing, and then I'm going to show you what I've changed over to. So when you're just starting out doing lashes, and if you decide that you want to provide your clients with aftercare kits, you don't want to break the bank. Like, you don't have to do the most. I guess I kind of did the most, but not really. I'm gonna leave prices of everything on the screen because I can't remember because I've ordered this so long ago. So this is my aftercare bag. This is what I started out with. I've changed stuff over since this whole quarantine or stay at home situation has been going on. I came up with something new. So originally I went with these wedding favor bags. So it just says thank you, and it says #glow by Shakia, lashes, and glow aesthetics by Shakia with the pink heart. This bag isn't huge, it's not too small, it's really just the perfect size. And what I was originally doing was putting 3 of my business cards in this bag, along with a Lash Aftercare card and 3 spoolies. I figured having 3 of my business cards in this aftercare bag was good because 1 for the client and 2 business cards if that client decides to hand them out to other people, or if she decides to hand all 3 to other people. My business cards have my first and last name, it has my email address, has my phone number, and the services that I offer, so skincare, lashes, waxing, and makeup, along with my Instagram. Although during the lash appointment, when the client first gets there, I have a whole checklist and go through with how to care for their lash extensions and the process of having lash extensions or getting lash extensions. I know that people can be forgetful, so I have this aftercare card that I also include in their bags. This Lash Aftercare card also has my Instagram and the #glow by Shakia. As you can see on my business card and on my Lash Aftercare card, I have like kind of my brand colors. So my colors, the color scheme of like my brand that I'm going for is clean, pink, rose gold, airy, mostly pink and rose gold. I also like that, so I incorporated that too. So just have stuff looking really cute and that coordinates with the color scheme that you're going for. I also include spoolies. I include 3 spoolies in their bag. It's usually not like this. So yeah, I do include the pink spoolies, and I put them in these little, I don't even know what these are called, but they're little bags that you can get from Michael's, and I tape them with the tape that I got from Michael's as well, which is rose gold. But usually already in their bag, there's 2 spoolies. Because during the lash service you need a spoolie, I already have 2 in the bag ready to go, but I'm using 1 like on their lashes, and I just give them that spoolie for them to like put in the bag themselves. I hope that makes sense. The reason why I include 3 spoolies in their bag is because ideally I would like them to have a spoolie with them at all times. So 1 in the car, 1 at home, 1 in their purse. So that is the reason why I include 3 spoolies. And that is everything that I included in their complimentary Lash Aftercare bag. I have also included doe foot wands, lip wands, so that they can clean their lashes properly, especially if they don't decide to buy a cleansing brush or a lash bath. And this is free. This Lash Aftercare bag. This one is free. I don't charge for this. This is complimentary, and this goes to every new client. So that's something else you can include in your bag is the lip gloss wands. During this whole stay at home thing, I decided that I was gonna pre-fill all my Lash Aftercare bags just so that they'll be ready to go. And during that process, I decided to make my complimentary Lash Aftercare bags different, and I'm so glad I did. I didn't have to go out and purchase anything because I just switched like how I wanted it up. So now for those little gift bags that I had the spoolies in, I have an aftercare card in there and the 2 spoolies. I've decided not to put 3 of my business cards in here because I felt like I was running out of my business cards so fast doing it that way, but I ended up finding some of my business cards in old purses when I was cleaning out my closet. But this one is already sealed, so can't put any business cards in there now. Because my aftercare bags have my Instagram on there, I just figured I can just keep it simple, put the Lash Aftercare card in here along with 2 spoolies, seal it up, and they're ready to go. And I really like this. You can still put business cards in here as well. Now that I think about it, I wish that I did just like include 1 business card in here because not everybody uses Instagram. So the business card was good to have my phone number on there, my website, my email. So I'll still give out a business card like at the end of their service with their Lash Aftercare bag. I just can't put it in there right now because it's already sealed. I had also purchased these thank you stickers from Michaels when I did my original aftercare bag. So that's what I used to seal these because they look so much nicer than the strip of tape that I was using, because that tape is kind of flimsy. So yeah, this just looks so much nicer. Now, if you have clients that want to purchase a lash bath and a lash cleanser, I have now came up with a different way of how I'm going to use the party favor bags. I will now be using the party favor bags for clients that purchase a lash cleanser and a lash cleansing wand. These party favor bags are actually the perfect size for this. You can put your lash bath in here that they purchase. You can put your lash cleansing wand. All of my lash baths and my lash wands, they have my name up there, so Glow Aesthetics by Shakia. And you can also include the complimentary lash kit in there along with a business card. So everything fits perfectly in here. I love the fact that I came up with this new system to package everything, because honestly I was getting bored with seeing like the same design like over and over. Like I wanted something fresh and something new, so being able to just change up things without having to buy something else and then wasting my old products, it was a win-win. So I'm just going to go over everything that you would need if you decide to make your aftercare kits like I did, and I'm also gonna have the prices listed. First, you're gonna need your business card, your Lash Aftercare card, spoolies, and spoolies you should already have as the lash artist, so you can just take from what you have in your inventory and put them in your Lash Aftercare kits. You're also going to need these clear plastic bags and a sticker, or yeah, like a sticker to seal the bag. Those should be complimentary, I feel like. And then for the aftercare kit that people can purchase, you're gonna need a wedding favor bag, you're gonna need a lash bath, a lash cleansing brush, and everything that I mentioned from the complimentary Lash Aftercare kit. Very simple, and you're not breaking the bank. The way I feel about doing stuff like this is you are investing in yourself, you're investing in your business. So when you put money towards stuff for your business, you just need to think like you're gonna make that money back. Whatever you put into making these aftercare kits, you're gonna make that back in like 1 to 2 clients. So, well, depending on what area you live in. And honestly, you don't have to start out giving out aftercare kits. You can put money aside at first towards stuff for your business and then buy the supplies. That is it that I have for you all today. I hope that you enjoyed this video and got something out of this video. Let me know if you decided to make these aftercare kits. How do you make your aftercare kits? What do you offer to your clients? And I'll see you in my next one.